Morning, guys. It's August 5th, 2024. I got a call from a lady I've worked for in the past. She's got two AC systems and one of them's not working. The first floor one, I believe it's an older Ruud system, if I remember right. But anyway, it's not working. She had shut it off. The second floor one died and needed to replace it, but they had someone else do it. It wasn't me. They're calling me back for service on the other one, so I'll go service it. Last time I was there, I noticed they had the other system replaced, and I didn't do it, so. Anyway, we're gonna go over there and see if we could figure out why it's not running. It's an older R22 10 SEER Ruud condenser outside. I know that. Fan inside runs. We're gonna check this thing. I don't even know what year it is. That's the other one they changed. It says it runs, but the fan don't run. I got it off right now. Maybe it's a capacitor. It's got a time delay. Nothing. Power. No power. Nothing. Square D. No power. Cooling. Yeah, it's set. Alright. Breaker was stripped downstairs. We'll see if it's working now. Nope. Nothing's working. Power. No power. We get power coming into this breaker. These breakers are known not to work. Nope, she tripped again. tripping the breaker. Something's tripping the breaker. I got it off at that square D. Yep, see, it tripped it again. I'm gonna find out what's tripping it. It's off there, so I should be able to maybe find out what's tripping it. Go to ohms, mega ohms. Ground, anything over 100. Definitely ground right there. It's only at 12. There we go. No problem, right there. Put a new wire on and try it, fix it. Maybe. Power to nothing. So I'm just going just to ohms. Let's try that, putting a new connector on there maybe. This black one I could probably use on that. We've got different kind of kits here. These work better, these terminal ones. Alright, so I got this, I'll try this wire on there and see if it works. Number 10 wire. Comes with a little Allen wrench. that's tight. If that thing's shorted to ground, or shorted, it's not going to work, right? That purple goes all the way to the capacitor. I'm just going to connect it here. See if it runs. Will it run? Will it run? Turn it on and we'll see. Wow, something fucking shorted there. I wonder what the fuck was. Wow. You see that? Fucking short. Wow, compressor's shorted or something's fucked up. We're connected. This thing is fucked up, but I don't know. I don't see anything shorted there. Wow. Something's definitely shorted. So we got the two reds. Nothing's touching. This red one shouldn't be shorting either. This red one going through this wire here, it's thin, you know. Let's try it one more time with that wire out of the way. We'll see if it starts and runs. If so, we replace this wire. Oh. Let's see if we tripped here or where it tripped. That's scary. This red wire is a little fucked up. So it's all. I want to see it go through. Well, it seems like it might have arced through there. Try it one more time. See this? I just replaced this wire on this one. Okay, that one was all rotted. See it? But now I tried to start it and we had some more. But this thing, see how this one's all puffy? It might have been arcing through here, but I'm not sure. So we're gonna give it one more try. If it don't stay on now, you're gonna need a new unit. Cause this thing is. I just turned the breaker on downstairs again. So let's see what happens. Whoa. Thing's dead. See that? So I shut the power off. So your unit's, it's gone. You know what I mean? Look at how fat that is from it. But this other one, I tried it, and you've seen it, right? Alright, so I gotta get my so it's done. It's done. You need a new unit. I'm glad you've seen it. So I'm going to take my wire back off, seeing that you don't need it on there. I mean, I did. He's toast. You need a little system. Unfortunately. Nothing was hitting. None of the connectors were hitting in there.